I woke up this morning and I caught this exotic bird who was organic from a tree. I wanted to design a Jungle Book costume and I wanted to use all organic colors. So I took these flowers from my neighbor's garden and I got some leaves to match the organic bird. Then I got some roses also from the same garden. I'm sure they don't mind. Once I got the look complete, I wanted to try it on the organic bird. And I think it was a little bit too big for him, but we made do. He was a model for us. Then I asked him to be a paperweight because he was organic, so he could hold the bow in place while I added the feather to the box.